It's the pillar of authority in New Zealand. Breaking news, hard opinion, the facts. News Talk ZB presents the 2013 Invitational Bake Off. Battle lines are being drawn as the other stations start to get serious.
I want us all to concentrate on today. Firstly, we've got to kick Radio Live's ass for some breaking news. The second thing is, we've got to slam all those music stations and kick ass with the Bake Off. Everyone on board?
I don't know about my baking skills, although I do a mean banana cake. But I do know about my eating skills. People call me BK, which you may think is short for Brian Kelly, but it actually is short for Banquet Killer.
Ah, geez, News Talk, you can talk some smack. Oh, I'll get that over there. Right, classic hits, we are ready for this bake-off. We're so ready, and we've got some smack talk as well. Everyone else has been talking some smack. We talk some smack. I'm gonna get really original on you, okay? Here we go. We're gonna bake a cake, brother. We got all the ingredients in a bowl, and I'm gonna ask you, what you gonna do when Classic Hits runs wild over you?
You know you can't buy a cake and enter that, eh?
I'm sorry, what?
You can't buy a cake for entry.
Oh, we can't buy a cake?
No.
Oh, well then we're screwed. Sorry.
The others in ZB, well, the other stations I know nothing of. Firstly, I don't listen to them. I don't know where they are in the building. I don't know who's on air. I don't know any of the names. They mention names every now and again. I say, who are these people? I don't see any real finesse with Larry in baking or any other aspect really of Larry.
Mike, well, he looks like he hasn't had a feed in years. Danny, well, he'll pop up with some sort of hungy, roast spud or whatever.
Danny could be a surprise package.
No, look, there's nothing about a donut that isn't perfect, especially if it's got that gooey, yummy custard centre.
For me, I'm determined to succeed. I'm determined that the buns in my oven will be bigger than yours.
So Coast and Hodaki and ZM and all of the other music brands way down there on the first and second floor, wherever it may be, we will win because News Talk ZB and Radio Sport are about entertaining and informing. We're so well read, we are so knowledgeable, we cannot possibly lose. And one of the judges is a good mate of mine. She's got a cream cake tattooed on her wrist.
Before I accept that Mike Hosking did indeed make the offering under his name, I want to see video evidence that it was indeed his perfect hands inside the French imported bowl moulding the perfect dough.
I know Kerry says stuff like this every now and again. Basically, it's derived from jealousy. She seems to think that I have a staff that do things for me. Some of that might well be true, but I can assure you when it comes to baking, I give both chefs the night off and I say, let me loose around the utensils, I'll do it myself.
Melita, what the f***'s wrong with this printer? This batter, God. Look, this is bloody ridiculous. All I want to do is make some cupcakes and what's wrong with this? Melita, Anne-Marie.
Oh gosh, I didn't realise it was going to be so much hard work. Did you pay for this? Didn't think so. These Pam's mini eclairs are not for you, Pam's.